Happy Sunday, everyone. Welcome to another homemaking reset video. It's been forever and this was filmed last weekend, which was the first weekend that I was officially back after spending a couple of weeks with my mum at her place. Thank you everybody for your messages on my stepfather's passing. They are much appreciated, and I even read some out to my mum and she's very grateful, so thank you very much. It feels very grateful and I feel very blessed to have such a community here, so thank you very much. I also am very grateful and blessed to be home and able to go back to some normality and routines. I was able to help my mum, and over the next couple of weeks I'll be able to help her with some things. But just to get to back home and do the washing and the bits and pieces that you like to do, just to know that your house is sort of settled, it makes all the difference. So stripping the bed, because it's been a couple of weeks since I've washed those sheets, get those in. I had done a whole pile of dishes and hubby's been helping with the dishes a lot as well. He always does help with the dishes, but it's been above and beyond as we've also been cleaning out some other bits and pieces, because I want to start doing some other major decluttering in the house. I think the passing of a parent does inspire you to get some things in order a little bit. So I did all those dishes, organising the pantry and bits and pieces as well. So I'm going to put those away and I'll come back in a second. I had to laugh watching this back in the edit because I started getting a little bit hyper focused on cleaning some of the areas, and I keep saying to myself, oh, I'm not going to worry too much about it and I'll do it in like a deep cleaning video, but I know I'll never get it back around to it. So I was scrubbing the side of the washing board thing and then the dish rack as well. Just because I was like, I'm here now, I might as well get it done, and hopefully it will look good for some footage. Not that I really showed any close up before or afters. Just doing some bacon and eggs for hubby and I. My son had some scrambled eggs. Kira just gets her own. She doesn't like scrambled eggs or bacon. Funny about that. And yes, I didn't actually have any cream. Otherwise, I probably would have done some pancakes or some French toast, because I do have some bread that needs to be used up, which I think I've since thrown in the freezer. But bacon and eggs seem to be the easiest because that bacon's been in the fridge for a couple of weeks. Still got a couple of weeks left of the use by date, but I thought let's get to it, and it seemed to be the easiest mindless task that I could do this morning. Hanging out the washing, and there's pillowcases galore. There's 2 for our bed of the ones we sleep on. We've got some decorative ones as well, but I don't really worry about washing those too often. Then Kira has about 3 or 4 because she has pillows, like around the bed to stop her banging into things, and then my son's pillowcase as well. So some weeks it feels like I'm just washing endlessly, but I feel so much happier when it's done. And you all know it feels so good to get into a bed with freshly washed sheets. So packed up all the bacon into little packs and froze them so I can cook them if we want more bacon and eggs, or if I want bacon for any burgers or any other meals down the track. We shall see. I'm just taking to throwing everything in the freezer for now and then dealing with it later, because mentally, I'm just not thinking straight right now. So if it's in the freezer, it's safe. Just doing a little bit more of tidying up as well, loading the dishwasher. I saw something online that says if you ever don't know what to do, just run the dishwasher, and if it hasn't worked or you forget, just run the dishwasher. So I figured stick it all in the dishwasher and turn it on, and then that can deal with that, and then I don't have to stand at the sink washing dishes, because after the couple of things that I did today, I was completely exhausted and I was done. All the spoons were gone, all my energy was gone, and that's okay. So easy dinner as well that people helped with, and we are done for the day. Thank you so much for joining with me. A little bit goes a long way. I so appreciate you guys being here, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.